Aquoxis pressure washer, a tiny garden hose attachment that, according to the ad, replaces a real pressure washer. You clip it onto a regular hose, and suddenly it blasts dirt off houses, years of grime off fences, and basically turns you into the king of home cleaning. At least that's the fantasy they're selling. So, what is this thing? It has two parts. First, this tube with a small nozzle on the end. That's it. No motor, no pump, no hidden tech, just a tube. Then there's the handle. You can turn the water on and off or lock it so it keeps spraying. So far, we're looking at a standard hose sprayer with a better costume. Now let's take the top section apart, unscrew it, open it up, and let's see this revolutionary technology. And wow, nothing. But the ad says this nozzle was created after long research, tons of prototypes, some breakthrough design that splits foam, destroys dirt, and somehow changes your regular garden hose into a cleaning weapon. Sounds impressive. Until you actually look at it, it's just a metal tube with a diffuser at the end. You twist it, the opening gets bigger or smaller, and the water stream changes. That's the whole trick. Not exactly NASA engineering. Let's put it back together. Now look at the ad again. You connect it to a hose and suddenly it's cleaning driveways, patio furniture, house siding, and years of baked on grime. Miracle product, right? They even call it a water laser. A laser made of water, sure, and this water laser is supposedly strong enough to cut apples. Okay, we definitely have to test that. So I hooked it up to a regular hose and tried washing dirt off my car. Here's what happened. It sprays water. That's about it. Honestly, it's not even a great hose nozzle. There are better ones in any hardware store. You can adjust the stream a little, make it narrower, make it wider, but does it actually remove stuck-on dirt? Not really. Now let's compare it with a real pressure washer. Nothing fancy, just a budget one. Watch the difference. Here I'm washing the same kind of dirt. Here's the dirt on the wheel. And now watch how it comes off. That difference is immediate. Also look at the water stream. It's thinner, it's sharper, it hits harder. Why? Because a real pressure washer has a pump. That pump builds pressure. Your garden hose does not magically become high pressure because someone screwed a shiny tube onto the end. Without a pump, you simply do not get that kind of pressure. And here's the funny part. Even this real pressure washer, without shampoo or cleaning chemicals, still struggles with really heavy dirt. So when the ad shows this little hose nozzle blasting away years of grime, like it's nothing, yeah, that's not performance. That's marketing theater. That promo was most likely staged, shot with an actor, and edited to make the product look way stronger than it is. In reality, it has nothing to do with a real pressure washer. Can you water flowers with it? Sure. Can you rinse off light dust? Probably. Can it clean old stubborn dirt, properly wash a car, or replace a real pressure washer? Absolutely not. So the claim is simple. This is not a pressure washer, it's a hose nozzle, and selling it like some miracle cleaning machine? That's misleading. There's extra information in the video description. Check it out. Thanks for watching.